Okay, welcome to our new video. Today we are going to be unboxing a plasma ball.
For the 50th time.
Yeah. So, I'm just gonna open this up. And guys, I can't show you yet.
Plasma ball. And you can't put this magnet on it.
Yeah. So,
But I did.
yeah. So, I'm gonna plug it in. I'm just gonna get the, because I have an outlet right by the tablet that I'm using right now. Wait, I got a knot in it. I hate when knots go in cords. Anyway, let's just plug that in.
Oh my god.
Why do you people always fall? I don't like the fact that my tablet just falls.
No, but why do you like falling forward onto your computer?
Yeah,
tablet.
Here's the ball. It's crazy. Here, you can touch it. So, yeah, it's super cool. I can't talk anymore. It's like early.
Yeah, it's in the morning. Our parents are asleep.
Anyway, so here it is. Boom. Bing, bang, boom. Boom. Please, I'm begging you, please consider subscribing, please. If you like my content, please subscribe. I'm begging you. I only have 10 subscribers.
No one likes your content.
Yeah, so it's
Guess what my name is?
he's the second name in the channel. I'm Joey. He's Mason, and we will see you in the next video. But maybe he won't be in the next video.
I will.
Goodbye.